I'm Kim Ji-hee from Korea JoongAng Daily. Today I'm with the 갤럭시폴드, highly anticipated phone. Here we're at Samsung Electronics trying to get first hands on this device and see how it looks like.
The Fold comes with a 7.3-inch screen when opened, the largest screen in the Galaxy family. When folded, you get a 4.6-inch screen, but it could seem a bit smaller than the actual screen size as it is quite narrow. You can type with the phone folded, at least in theory, but even for me, with quite small hands, it isn't easy to type a sentence without errors. Still, you might get used to that over time. I think the biggest question you'll all have is how the Fold actually looks and whether it folds well. It's thick, but still falls into the pocket quite nicely. A Samsung employee said that she's comfortable with it in her pocket. Considering the design issues it has faced in the past, I can see Samsung has put some effort into making it stronger. The polymer film attached to the screen no longer looks like it's removable, as it has been extended to be tucked underneath the bezel. Caps have also been added to the top and bottom of the hinge. When unfolded, you can still sense some kind of line where the screen folds, but when you're using the apps in tablet mode, you can't really feel it. It's not very visible. The fingerprint sensor is on the side, not on the screen. It seems convenient, but I can't really tell how this would work in everyday life. Now, I think one of the most interesting features of this Galaxy Fold is app continuity, the way that apps transition between the two screen sizes. As you can see here, Google Maps gets bigger as I unfold the phone. The same is true for YouTube videos. A slight drawback could be that when the screen is unfolded, part of the video is cut off in the top left corner because of the notch for the cameras. I think the screen is a good size to read text when it's unfolded. You can also multitask. Up to 7 apps can be run at once, and the size of each app can be adjusted. Even just with 2 screens, I think it would be quite useful for gamers as well as business people going into meetings and so on. There are 6 cameras on this phone. You have 3 cameras on the back, 2 in front when unfolded, and 1 more on the cover screen. The phone comes with a price tag of 2,398,000 won, which is roughly $2,000. Early adopters certainly have a reason to be attracted to the phone, which offers some completely new features based on its form factor, but the price could be a big burden.